What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. My name is Nick, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about simple affiliate marketing and how you can begin to make money on your YouTube channel if you are, in fact, a creator. All right, welcome back. First off, let me apologize for not uploading a video yesterday. I wanted to do a Money Monday type of video, but unfortunately, Money Monday turned into filing taxes, and believe me, you want no part of that. No part of that. It was terrible. I basically started at 7 a.m. and didn't finish till 11 p.m. And that is like gathering all of my receipts and income statements and invoices. It was just a mess. Putting everything together, and then my mother-in-law, who happens to be a professional CPA, thank God, she came over and filed our taxes, and I sat there and walked her through all of my mistakes in prep, and it was just not a fun time. On the flip side of that, though, I got this book in the mail. It was fantastic that this happened this way, but I got this book in the mail. I mean, How Money Works, the Facts Visually Explained. One of my Instagram friends posted some Insta stories of this book, and it was so interesting to me. It has everything from stocks, bonds, debt, credit cards, investments, income, everything. Super pumped about that. If you want to check that out, there's a link below in the description where you can look at that and get one for yourself if you want to. I think I bought this used on Amazon for $8. Really cool book. I believe that the reason so many people are financially destitute nowadays, whether that be simply not earning a decent income in life, all the way to spending their money on the wrong things, I believe that all stems from lack of education and learning about money, right? Everyone thinks it's normal to have credit cards and to rack up the credit and then spend months and months paying it out. That is not the way to live. You know, there's a proper way to use credit and there's an improper way to use credit. This book kind of shows that. I thumbed through it. I read a few things. I showed my wife. She's super pumped about it. We both agree that lack of money education is what is leading to serious poverty in our country. So the more you know, the better equipped you are to make wise decisions when it comes to your money. That's sort of what this is all about. If you want to check out the book, link in description. Cool. Today's video is basically a kind of a recap on some stuff I've talked about in the past. I have a ton of new subscribers over the past couple of weeks, and so I want to kind of refresh this information. Things constantly evolve in the YouTube realm, and I feel like this video can be beneficial. So what I'm talking about today is simple affiliate marketing through your YouTube channel if you are a creator. So as you may be aware, if you are a creator, YouTube changed their YouTube partnership standards, the monetary standards and all that. So you have to have 1,000 subscribers, which I don't yet. Let's take a pause right here and say, if you have not subscribed, what are you even doing? Subscribe, join this little community we have going on here where we learn about money, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, photography. I'm a professional photographer. If you don't already know, it's literally what I do for a living. And so I make videos about it, and I try to help people out that are beginning in photography. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. We're doing giveaways throughout the year. There's a card above. You can check that out and see the things that we're giving away throughout the year of 2018. Also, just to touch on this, our number one goal for 2018 is to feed 500 hungry families at Thanksgiving time. These are less than fortunate families. We'll be working with the local food bank to properly distribute the food to these families. And I will be posting a video in the coming next few days where I will explain more about that. I've had some people message me and leave comments whoa, how do you even plan to do this? That's a really lofty goal. It is a lofty goal, and it's one that I believe we will accomplish with your help, with your views. So circling back to monetization through YouTube, the YouTube partnership was cut. For those of us that have smaller channels, you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time. That's 240,000 minutes of watch time on your channel in the past 1 year, not lifetime, but 1 year, and you have to have 1,000 subscribers. This is very, very, I'm not going to say difficult, but it is definitely an uphill battle, I guess you could say. And so how can you make money on YouTube in the meantime? You know, if you're getting a good amount of subscribers and you are getting decent watch time throughout the week, there's one way that you can kind of supplement, even if it's just a few bucks, to make some money on your YouTube channel. And that is affiliate marketing with Amazon. So let's dive right in. Let's jump into my computer here. And so what we have here is Amazon.com. It is the largest affiliate network on the internet that I know of. I'm pretty sure I am correct in saying that it is the largest. What is affiliate marketing? Let's start from the base level. So affiliate marketing is basically you promote and talk about products, and you provide a special link that is unique to your name, your account. When someone clicks on the link and they buy anything through that link, whatever company that is selling that product will give you a commission. It does not come out of the pocket of the person that is buying the product. It is simply sort of just like a little kickback from the company that is selling the product. Now, going along with that, they also have some of the lowest commissions. Okay, so 4 to 6%, and then the more stuff you sell, or the more items that you promote that sell, the higher the commissions go. And then some categories have higher commissions, but I'm not going to delve into all of that. You can go sign up on Amazon.com and see for yourself. They'll give you all the information. One thing that sets Amazon apart from other affiliate networks is that, let's say you post an affiliate link for this book, How Money Works, which this link down below is my affiliate link. So if you buy this, Amazon will give me a little kickback for promoting it. Go buy it. If you click that link and you see the book and you look through, you know, the listing and you're like, nah, this isn't really for me, but you decide to go buy your groceries on there, or you decide to go buy a video game or some clothes or diapers for your kid, Amazon will give me a kickback for any item you purchase within 24 hours. That is, that's kind of one of the major points for Amazon, why I even promote the Amazon Affiliate Network. If it wasn't for that, I probably would not promote it. I probably would not be a part of it because, you know, converting people to buy your specific product, it's not, with Amazon, it's not like, you're not a 50% conversion rate, very rarely. It might be bits and pieces. If you don't have an astronomical following, then you know, it wouldn't really be worth it. But the fact that they give you commissions and they give you a little kickback on anything that anyone buys, as long as it's within 24 hours of them clicking on your link, that is awesome. So I posted things like camera equipment, books that I read, supplies that I use, whatever, in the descriptions of my YouTube videos, and people will click on it, but then they buy something totally random. One person bought a stand-up closet, like clothes hanging thing that you might use for a garage sale to hang your clothes on for people to come. But they bought that. I didn't even post it. I had someone else buy some scissors. I didn't post anything about scissors, but someone bought it because they clicked through my link. Anyways, that's sort of the thing. Now, I think probably one of the biggest YouTubers that does affiliate marketing is Casey Neistat. I notice a lot of YouTubers that don't do this, right? So Logan Paul, he got his ad revenue cut by YouTube. 100%. They don't pay him anymore for his views. It is sort of like for the time being. I'm sure he'll get it back. He pushes his merch really hard, but what he doesn't understand is that if he would list just some of these affiliate links below, he could supplement that $1 million a month that he's losing. He could supplement it and maybe make $100,000 a month. It's $100,000 a month from affiliate marketing from Amazon is way better than not getting any money at all. But whatever, he doesn't do that. His loss, maybe he doesn't know, maybe he doesn't care. Anyways, Casey Neistat does do affiliate marketing through his YouTube channel. And if you look at the numbers, just kind of speculating, it is pretty interesting. So Casey Neistat has 9 million subscribers. Congrats to him on that. Awesome. He's got 9 million subscribers. If you go to his About page, you can see all of these links right here. His big camera, he's got an Amazon affiliate link. Wide lens, Amazon affiliate link. Small camera. And now he's got these Amazon affiliate links listed in all of his, well, not all of his videos, most of his videos. And he has a lot more links that are listed as well. So let's say that, let's go to his bike lanes video. Okay, so this is one of the most viewed videos that he's ever posted. He posted it 6 years ago. I highly recommend that you go check it out. It is a hilarious video about bike lanes in New York City. So bike lanes is one of his highest viewed videos with 20 million views at a CPM of $2 per 1,000 views, which is what vloggers about get. They're sort of like the underpaid of the, like the lowest paid of the YouTubers, right? Whereas educational and entrepreneurship are some of the highest paid on YouTube with $6 to $8 CPMs. Anyways, whatever. He makes about $2 per 1,000 views. And so for 20 million views, you're looking at $20 to $40,000 that he's made over 6 years on this one video. It seems like a lot, but it's really not. Whenever you see that he's got 20 million views with affiliate marketing, if he's got that affiliate link in his description, right? Let's say that out of 20 million people, let's say 1 out of every 10 clicks on a link, okay? So that'll be 10%. That's 2 million people that would click on an affiliate link, okay? But let's say that only 1% of that buys something. That's 20,000 people. Now, the majority of the things that he posts are cameras and lenses, high dollar items, right? With those things, if you get 4% on $1,000 item, that's $40. Okay, so let's drop it down because not all these people are buying a $1,000 item. Let's say he only makes $10 commission from what on an average. Some people are going to buy the high ticket items, some are going to buy low. Some people are not even going to buy what he's promoting. They're going to buy something else. So let's say he gets only a $10 commission from all of this. That's $20,000 right there just on affiliates. That's estimating 10% of people that are watching his video clicking on a link, and then only 1% of that 10% actually buying something. I guarantee you the numbers are much higher than this. Casey Neistat is said to make anywhere from $20,000 to $30,000 of ad revenue per month. I'm sure it's a little bit higher than that now. Let's say he makes $50,000 a month through ad revenue. He's making closer to $90,000 to $100,000 per month through his affiliate marketing. Not to mention his sponsorship deals with DJI and Samsung and Mercedes-Benz, who he is an ambassador for. So affiliate marketing, YouTube, you think YouTube ad revenue, but all the biggest YouTubers say that ad revenue is actually the very lowest amount of income you're going to get from YouTube. The real money comes in with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and ambassadorships. That doesn't sound right. If you have a small channel, if you're starting out on YouTube, and you're not monetized, and you haven't hit those levels, remember that you can affiliate market through these things. I myself, I'm really into affiliate marketing, and so I buy courses on it, I learn about it, I buy ebooks, and oftentimes when you buy those affiliate marketing courses and ebooks to learn about it, they allow you to become an affiliate for those products. I promote those, I do review videos. Side note, if you want to check out an affiliate marketing course or ebook, I have 2 links below. The ebook I think is $35 or $40. The course is $500. Go check those out. I'll get a small commission from them. Besides that, there's many things that you can affiliate market for, many ways you can make money. I've made money off of just about every sort of affiliate marketing avenue that I've taken with using YouTube. So while I am not monetized directly through the YouTube site, I do make money off of YouTube. I hope that's helpful. I hope that makes sense to you. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments section. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If this video helped you, give it a like. Remember that we are working to feed 500 hungry families. That video coming within the next day or two. And so one small side note, I've been saying that I post every single day, and I've just not been hitting that mark. The weekends, it's very difficult for me to post. I have a wife, I've got 3 little kids. They actually want to see me during the weekend. They want to do stuff. So we don't really make videos on the weekend. So I am sort of pulling back on that, and I'm going to work for a Monday through Friday upload schedule, and we'll see how that goes. I hope this helps. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow or on the next video.